These are the ingredients that you will need to make the plantain porridge.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how I make green plantain porridge.
So right now I am putting the plantains in water. That will make it easier for me to peel them without the stains.
Some people would put oil on their hands instead to avoid the stain that comes from the plantain. As you can see here, I am now cutting the plantains into smaller sizes because I'm going to have to blend them. So I'm just getting them smaller.
So yeah.
The next step is to get some milk, but we're using coconut milk. This is a powder and we need it in liquid form. So I'm adding it to water and then I'm whisking it. It's best to use a whisk when you're doing this because it incorporates the powder in water way better than if you were using a spoon or a fork. So now that I have my milk base, I am going to be adding the milk to the plantains that, as you can see, I've already placed in the blender top. I won't be using all the milk because I will need some of the milk for further use. So now I'm going to plug in the blender and blend this plantain with the milk. I am now going to be adding a little flour to the milk and I will be whisking this in to combine, and then this will be used as a thickener for the porridge. So the plantain is finish blending, and you will see the consistency. It is almost like milkshake, like a milkshake consistency. And that's what you want because you need to get the porridge as smooth as can be. So after blending, I'm going to be adding the mixture to hot water that I've already had on the fire heating up. So we're going to be throwing the mixture into the hot water, and I'm going to be whisking it in until the porridge starts thickening. As you can see, I'm now adding the milk that I had remaining, that I had added the flour to, because this is going to be used now as a thickener for the porridge. As you can see, the consistency of the porridge is already changing. Yes, that's because of the flour that I added.
This is about 5 minutes after putting it on the fire. We're going to leave it for about 10 more minutes to cook. So after 15 minutes, this is the almost finished product from the plantain porridge. I'm just going to give it a little stir. And in a few minutes, I'll be adding the sweeteners, nutmeg, spices, etc.
I am now adding the nutmeg, which I am grating. I prefer to use the fresh nutmeg as opposed to the grounded one that comes in the bottle. I am now adding the vanilla, which is about a spoon and a half, a tablespoon and a half. And now is salt. This porridge, because of the strong taste of the plantain, you will have to put quite a bit amount of salt in there to kind of balance the flavors. Now I have added brown sugar. The reason I added the sugar before I added milk is because porridge normally takes the color of the last ingredient that is added to it. So if I wanted to have a creamy look, the last thing I would have to add is the milk. I'm adding the final product, which is the milk. And you will see how it has changed and become creamy. So guys, this is the finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share. Thumbs up if you like it, and thank you all for watching.